As a business owner in Southlake, Texas, you understand the importance of creating a positive first impression for potential customers. The exterior of your business is the first thing people see, and the right ambiance can attract foot traffic, enhance your brand, and set the tone for the entire customer experience. One of the most effective ways to elevate your business's curb appeal is through professional outdoor lighting. Thoughtfully designed and strategically placed outdoor lighting not only makes your business more inviting but also provides several other benefits that can improve your brand's image and boost your bottom line. Here's how professional outdoor lighting can enhance your Southlake business's curb appeal. Enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property. The most immediate and obvious benefit of professional outdoor lighting is the dramatic improvement in your business's aesthetic appeal. Lighting can highlight your property's architectural features, landscaping, and signage, making your business look more polished and inviting. Whether you have an elegant storefront, a cozy restaurant patio, or a beautifully landscaped entrance, the right outdoor lighting can bring out the best in these features. Strategically placed lighting can draw attention to key elements of your business's exterior. For example, uplighting can accentuate the texture of your building's facade, while path lights can guide customers to your entrance, creating a welcoming atmosphere. By showcasing your business's unique features in a well-lit, visually appealing way, professional outdoor lighting elevates your curb appeal and makes your business stand out. Extend your business hours with professional outdoor lighting. You can extend the usability of your outdoor spaces and the hours your business is open, visually, even after the sun goes down. Whether you operate a restaurant, retail store, or office, quality lighting allows your business to remain visible and inviting after dark. In Southlake, where evening events and outdoor dining are popular, the right lighting can make your business appear more vibrant, increasing your chances of attracting customers even during the evening hours. For restaurants or cafes with outdoor seating, lighting can enhance the ambiance, creating a warm and cozy environment that encourages people to stop in for a meal or coffee. For retail businesses, illuminated storefronts and window displays can catch the eye of passers-by, increasing foot traffic and potential sales. Improve safety and security. A well-lit business is a safer business. Outdoor lighting improves the security of your property by reducing dark, hidden areas where potential intruders could hide. Adequate lighting around your business's entrance, parking lot, and perimeter can help prevent criminal activity by making the area visible and well monitored. Motion sensor lights are a great option to add an extra layer of security. These lights turn on when they detect movement, alerting both you and any potential intruders that someone is nearby. Not only does this provide peace of mind for business owners, but it also makes your customers feel more comfortable and safe when visiting your business after dark. Customers are more likely to return to a business that feels secure and welcoming. Highlight your signage and branding. Your business's signage is one of the most important elements of your exterior, as it provides the first impression to anyone passing by. A brightly lit, well-illuminated sign is much more likely to grab attention and make your business stand out from competitors. Professional outdoor lighting can enhance your business's signage by making it visible at all times of day and night. This ensures that potential customers can find your location easily, even during low light conditions. Well-illuminated signage reflects positively on your business's image and professionalism, making your brand more memorable and accessible. Attract more foot traffic. Great curb appeal drives foot traffic. Professional outdoor lighting can help increase visibility, particularly during the evening when natural light is limited. By illuminating walkways, parking areas, and entry points, you create a clear path that invites people into your business. Whether you run a boutique, restaurant, or office, properly lit exteriors make your business more approachable and visually appealing. Bright, welcoming lighting invites people to take a closer look, and the more people are drawn to your storefront, the greater the chance that they will come inside. If your business is located on a busy street or in a competitive area like Southlake, outdoor lighting can give you an edge over other businesses by making your location more visible and inviting to potential customers. Create a memorable atmosphere. Beyond security and aesthetics, outdoor lighting plays a key role in setting the tone for your business. Whether you want to create a professional, relaxing, or festive atmosphere, lighting can be used to evoke the desired mood. For example, soft, warm lighting is perfect for restaurants or cafes where customers seek a relaxed and cozy environment. Bright, focused lighting works well for retail businesses that want to showcase products and attract attention. Even in office buildings, outdoor lighting can convey professionalism and create a positive first impression for clients and visitors. By working with a professional outdoor lighting designer, you can create a lighting scheme that reflects your business's brand and sets the right tone for the experience you want to offer your customers. Energy-efficient solutions. One concern many business owners have when installing outdoor lighting is the cost of electricity. Fortunately, there are many energy-efficient options available, such as LED lights and solar-powered fixtures, that allow you to illuminate your business without driving up energy bills. LED lights use a fraction of the energy of traditional incandescent bulbs while providing the same, if not greater, illumination. Solar-powered lights are another eco-friendly option, relying on the sun's energy to power outdoor fixtures. With these energy-efficient solutions, you can enjoy the benefits of outdoor lighting without significantly impacting your operating costs. Conclusion. Professional outdoor lighting is an investment that can significantly boost your Southlake business's curb appeal, security, and overall attractiveness. From enhancing your property's aesthetic to creating a safer environment and drawing more foot traffic, the right lighting can help your business stand out in a competitive marketplace. Whether you're looking to extend your operating hours, highlight your signage, or improve your security, outdoor lighting offers an array of benefits that will make your business more welcoming and appealing to customers. Investing in professional outdoor illumination is not just about lighting up your business. It's about creating an atmosphere that enhances your brand and improves your bottom line.